today's video, I'll be discussing about how Amazon sellers earn money through Amazon, and in the next video, I will be discussing about how Amazon virtual assistant can earn money through Amazon. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mir and I'm the founder of mirwaleed.com. So today's video is going to about Amazon sellers who are just going to start their Amazon FBA business. As I spoke to you in the previous video that you have to go through a step-by-step process in order to launch your product. So I will repeat that again. So how you earn money? The money is the product, right? So once you start selling your product on Amazon, then you start getting the sales and then you start getting the profits. So the first step you have to do is do the product research, find a product, then do the sourcing. Then you have a listing content to be put on your Amazon, and then once your Amazon product is live on the Amazon website, then you start to earn your money. So this process takes maybe 3 months, maybe 2 months. You can do it in a month as well if you just want to test these strategies and the process, or you want to learn this process. It can take a month as well. Like you just randomly select a product and do the sourcing and just ship it to the Amazon warehouse by air. But in order to do that, you already need to have an Amazon Seller Central. So that is the Amazon Seller account from where you will list the product and you will start running advertisement and do the day-to-day operations, right? So that's important. But if you want to go through the proper channel or proper procedure, then it may take 3 to 6 months, because lots of people have like different product research criteria. Sometimes shipping takes 2 months or more than 3 months. Sometimes it can be done in 2 weeks. Like if you ship your shipment through by air from China to Amazon or from any other country to Amazon, so it kind of takes time to show your listing on Amazon. And sometimes what happens is you may face some difficulties in your Amazon Seller Central, like maybe while making the account you have not submitted the documents properly. For the reason, Amazon may take actions for that. So it kind of there is not a fixed time to launch your first product and earn money. I can't say like you can earn your first dollar in the first 3 months. No, that's not something I would say like this is the accurate time of earning your first dollar. It may take 6 months. It may take 1 year to get your return on investments on Amazon FBA, specifically in private label. But this could be done with a proper procedure. So if you have the mindset to wait and earn the money, then you are obviously going to have the money. If you have this business mindset to go through proper procedure, then obviously money is waiting for you after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 months, 2 months, whatever time whatever time it takes to get your product launch on Amazon. But if you are just willing to go through that overnight success, then I'm sorry to say there is no such kind of overnight success that can give you the payouts in the next morning or next day. So you have to be patient in this business, and especially for Amazon sellers, you have to wait. You have to be very patient in this business, because this business is a bit of time taking, is a bit of technical. You have to go into proper channels and proper processes to get your product live. And although you are working from your home, your workspace, your office, but the shipment times and everything, the manufacturing and the whole process is taken physically. So you have to wait for that procedure. And yeah, if you are in a hurry, or if you want to test any kind of your product, or if you want to test this whole procedure, it can take up to 1 month, 2 months, or you can maybe do it a little more quicker. But so yeah, that's the way to earn your profits on Amazon FBA. Like you have to send your product to Amazon, and once the product is received on the Amazon warehouse, then you can earn your profits. All you have to do is get your product live on Amazon before earning a single penny on Amazon. Before getting live on Amazon, you can't earn money. So all that money is will be seen on your Seller Central. Obviously you won't be relying on anybody else to give you money. Obviously that is the Amazon which is giving you the payouts. So that's the way to earn money. Like you have to have a product in place, and you have to your Amazon store ready to do all the stuff, and that's the proper way to earn that money. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about how you can earn money as a freelancer or Amazon virtual assistant, or maybe Amazon consultant in the future. So wait for that video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and comment your suggestions, questions, or any advice that you may give it to me. Or if you have any questions, post down in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.